Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Nano Banana for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to use Nano Banana, you need to have a Gemini on your mobile phone, or if you want to open it from your computer, you need to install the Gemini app, or you can visit a Gemini website, gemini.google.com. And here I'm going to open up the Gemini app I have installed on my mobile phone. Okay, and if you want to use Nano Banana, make sure that here you choose Gemini 2.5 Flash model. You can change the model here, and then you can choose this model. And then you can activate this Nano Banana feature on your Gemini, shown by this banana icon. And if you cannot see this feature on your Gemini, I recommend you to update your Gemini. And you need to update your Google application as well. You can update it on Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. Okay, and after you have updated your Gemini, you can go back to the Gemini and activate this Nano Banana feature. Okay, and then you can click on this plus icon guys, and then you can upload your photo. Basically, you can use Nano Banana to edit your photo and to combine two photos or more, and also you can change the hairstyle, and it's up to you guys. You can use any prompt that you want, and I'm going to edit for example this photo. Okay, click on done. I'm going to ask Nano Banana to remove the background of this photo. So we can type in remove the background of this photo like this, and then you just need to click on send button, and the AI will remove the background of your photo. Alright, and then the background has been removed, and this is the result. If you want to download it, you can click on this download icon. You can click the photo and then click on this download icon. And I'm going to show you the other images that I have created with Nano Banana. For example, this one. Okay, I created 3D figure character, and I create Polaroid photo as well. This is the result. This one. And that's so cool guys. You can use it to edit your photo. Okay, and that's all the way to use Nano Banana for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.